What's up, guys? Welcome to another little desk office upgrade video here that I'm going to be doing here for you guys. So if you guys saw kind of the last iteration of this, you guys know, put together this whole kind of custom sit stand desk here, and something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while here actually is kind of trying to declutter some of this, which you guys can see right now. I've got just my two 32-inch wide monitors here, and they've got their big kind of bulky desk plates on there that their factory stands. And something I've been wanting to do here for a while, which I actually mentioned during the sit stand desk build video, was getting a dual monitor mount. And funny enough, a company actually reached out very shortly after that project. I don't know if they saw the video or not, but yeah. So company reached out actually and sent over a dual arm monitor mount here for me to check out, for try to kind of update and upgrade my setup here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that real quick. Okay, so here it is. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not botching the company name, it's Huanu. Massive thank you to you guys for reaching out and sending this over for me. If you guys are interested in this, we'll see how it goes. I've not unboxed it or anything yet. Still in the box, but like I said, I will have it linked in the video description for you guys to check out as well for yourselves to see what you guys think if you guys are interested. They've got some other products. They've got some single arm mounts, obviously the duals, and a couple other things as well through their Amazon store. But again, I haven't checked this out. I've been so busy with all the other car projects I've been working on, finally getting around to unboxing this. And I'm probably gonna be switching over to the GoPro on my head mount with that to get all this. I've been kind of delaying doing this because it's going to take a little bit to get all this kind of organized, because I need to kind of pull all my cables and everything out of here, trying to reorganize all of this to get it all set up and be good to go. So I think, like I said, I think I'm going to switch over to the GoPro here so I can try to get this unboxed, see what I want to do and how I want to set it all up, and go from there. All right, guys. Hopefully everything is good with the audio and everything, since I'm switching over to the GoPro. One little quick thing too I want to say is so far everything with the desk setup has been really good. The only thing I did was, I don't know if you guys can see down here, I added this little crossbar. Basically, the whole desk was kind of sagging just a little bit, and that was mainly just due to the frame itself, unfortunately being 1x1 steel. It wasn't all that crazy strong for that, but yeah. So gonna go ahead get this unboxed here. But other than that, everything has been good with it, and it's going awesome. So super stoked, super happy with that still, and again, no problems with that. But yeah, let's go ahead. Hopefully you guys can see everything. This looks like we got a manual here. We got our two monitor mounts itself. Looks pretty good. Sorry to be doing this on the floor here, but I don't really have a good working desk space. Looks like this is going to be our base plate. Looks like it's a nice gloss black finish that kind of will go along nicely with things. I've got kind of a semi-gloss in the frame itself, but that should be okay. The fan's kind of taking care of blowing that stuff away. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention too, I forgot about that, there is a built-in USB hub to this also. So I'm very curious to try and maybe check that out. I've got everything set up where I don't have it on a hub, so I don't know. We'll see. But looks like these are the two arms here. I believe they are, yes, they are adjustable as well. Hopefully, again, you guys can see that. Yeah, these are USB, oh no, these are just USB 3.0. I don't know, I was thinking they were Bs. Feels pretty solid though. Got our bag of hardware. Couple more of them, and then our clamps. And like I said, this company, they did send this over to me, but I'm still going to give you guys an honest review on this, because I would never want to mislead you guys. I will say this feels a little kind of less sturdy than the rest of it so far, just from first looks and feels on it, but we'll see how it does. And then we got our other two parts to the arm. Okay, yeah, that is all they are. It's just two pass-throughs. So yeah, I probably won't be using that. I don't really have a need for it. I've already, on my keyboard, I've already got a nice pass-through on that, plus my monitor, or my headset stand that I've got already has a pass-through. And then it looks like this can be, yeah, this can be directly mounted too. So it looks like we don't need to use if we didn't want to, we don't have to use the clamps. Yeah, you guys can see we got C-clamp mounting or the grommet mounting there. Yeah, see there's the big locking plate. Oh, that's the big, okay, now I see it. Yeah, so that would bolt through with that. So that'd be a good way of doing it, but I think I just prefer to clamp it on there if I can. Yeah, we'll start assembling some of this. I need to get my monitors pulled off of there again, dealing with all the cables. Not doing the USB cables, which honestly, it's actually will be nice to have these because I do need some extensions every now and then too. So this will be nice to even just have laying around. It looks like these are adjustable as well, which is actually really nice for that. Okay, I don't love that you can't bolt these to this. I prefer if we have, it looks like it's just like a pressure thing. So I'm sure it'll be plenty sturdy once it's on there, but yeah, don't know if I love that. 3 different mounting points on that. So that'll be nice, which these are all nicely labeled, which is awesome. Oh, there we go, that'd be why. I was gonna say I'm missing one. I'm assuming that there's probably extra hardware as well. Usually these kinds of things include extras. I don't believe these are sided at all. I think this is all the same side. Both of these are interchangeable. I got some nice socket Allen wrenches I really should just be using for this too, but too lazy to go and get them right now. Okay, there we go. Got both of these on then. So that'll be ready to get these on there then when we're all set. Kind of something like this, so you just kind of adjust them, I guess, until you get to the right depth, and then fine-tune adjusting with those. Yeah, I guess we're almost ready now, technically, to get the monitors pulled off, because this is ready to actually go on the desk. How do these even mount? Is there a... this guy's what holds it in. Okay. I don't know, I'll see. Maybe I'll add these in. It wouldn't be too bad to have a couple extra USB ports. But I'm already filled up on space anyways on my motherboard. I forgot to shut off my lights too, but... Ooh, that would be good. This is my external hard drive. Pull that off and drop that. Yeah, that's gonna... Of course, everything is disconnectable except for my mouse pad, LEDs. And everything's going to have to get shifted anyways to the center so it can just go up and follow inside, because I believe there's internal cable management. Yes, there is. At least on these. It looks like it kind of has that same, yeah, that same thing with these two. Which means dealing with this mess down in there, which I was trying to avoid. But I might need to rearrange. No, I should be good. I should be okay with where this is at, because these are screwed into my frame. And see, that's what I was saying, is I've got everything pretty much already accounted for as far as USBs. Okay guys, I think what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna come back once I get all of this stuff kind of disconnected, and then we'll come back once I start getting this all ready to actually get put on here, and we can start putting the monitors back on and then get everything re-cable managed from there. So I'll see you guys there in just a moment. Okay, that was actually not as bad as I thought. It only took actually a few minutes. Just had to basically get, this one was easy just to unplug from there, pull through everything besides, again, the one, my mouse pad cord was all, everything was disconnectable out here, so I can just pull it back through, which is what all this is. So monitors are ready to come off, and then I'll get the bases of them, or the mounts mounted on right away, and we'll start getting the actual base plate onto the desk, which I think I'm going to have to move my mic just a little bit there, but we'll see. And I'm just going to reuse my hardware that I have for this. I don't have a need to use any of theirs, if I believe it comes with. Yeah, these are all the different mounting hardware for that, between the spacers and screws. So I'm just going to reuse what I have. There is an up arrow on these right here, so you can see which way is up. Perfect. Nice. And technically you could even screw these in first and then slot the arm in, or slot this mount in. And it looks like they are 100 by 100, as well as I think 75 by 75 with these different slots. Okay, you can see you can do that, which this is something I've been looking at getting and changing up, either potentially to one ultra wide or just 2 new monitors, because these I want to go to eventually to 4K. And these ones have been pretty good, but they are getting to be a little bit outdated. Okay, and there we go. So we got the one on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that one real quick and get that taken care of. Second one down. I think we're ready to get our faceplate on, as long as I don't need to move any of this, which I might have to. So yeah, that's just gonna go right in. Something kind of like that. There we go. Scissor required. Too risky cutting a cable or power cord that's plugged in. Not worth it. Now I gotta untie this, and yeah, it's a whole mess. All this to pull out one clamp. Just gonna place this over here for right now. See where this gets moved to. Yeah, something right like that will work out good. Good thing this is adjustable in 2 different places, between the clamp itself and on the bracket. That is definitely a pro to this. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. There we go. Now I'm a little further this way, I think. But I'd rather be over this way more than that way. Oh, I see. So these can rotate. Yeah, so these whole things can rotate on their own, like that. So your mount still stays in place, but the monitor itself can just rotate freely. Which eventually I might do a setup like this, where it's one sideways and then one up and down for like chat and such. Which honestly, I think we're just gonna mount the upper arms to these right away first, and then just slot them on in. Okay, so these have a nice little pinch clip there to get those in place. That's awesome. If I'm not mistaken, there is a set screw. Okay, so these are pre-installed. And this isn't meant to clamp it in place, more so just keep this from popping back up and out, because it has that little groove there. Kind of just like that. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of tweaking to get these right. Ah, so that is our adjustment right there. Downward, upward. Okay, there we go. Then we can also adjust tilt on this too. So we have rotation and tilt. I think we're ready to go here. The one downside I'm seeing to this so far is how far these stick out. So like for me, like I usually keep my desk at the back of the wall. I don't know that I'm going to be able to do that anymore. I do like the adjustability that I can obviously raise and lower and then turn and tilt it, and it just kind of stays there. That's nice. It is nice having that, just that floating there, again, all this extra space with this. Obviously they can be adjusted way up if you need to. And I do need to adjust the tilt, because they were a bit too tilted before. Yeah, that'll create a bit of an issue with this for sure. Yeah, I'm just moving this over temporarily. I'm just gonna pull this off here for now, just to keep it completely out of the way. I think I need to loosen these just a little bit. There we go. Now they're not so much wanting to spring back. What I did with these before was some tape across, and I'm still going to keep that. So that actually helped quite a bit keep these in place together. Alright guys, so it's actually been a little bit here. I was messing around with this quite a bit. I was able to get it pretty good to what I wanted here with this. So you guys can see obviously nothing down below there, just the base there. And things are definitely looking a lot cleaner with all of this. What I did actually, if you guys are wondering, is I know it's a little tricky to see, little hard to see, but I moved obviously the base over a little further this way, and then actually both the arms that come off of this are facing kind of the, yeah, you can't see, but yeah, both the arms, they are facing, both come up and both face this way, and then obviously one on the middle section goes this way, the other one goes that way. So that is kind of the workaround with that. They're a little bit straighter across than I wanted. I usually have them a little more kind of curved, and unfortunately it kind of bottoms out on the actual where they mount itself right there, just basically because of how they're 32-inch monitors. This dual arm mount is set up for up to 32s, so that would be why if you had a little bit smaller monitors, it would definitely work a little bit better. But yeah, it's definitely cleaner for sure. I do like the look of it, and I don't know, it might change it up in the future eventually. I mean, I'd like to go to an ultra wide setup or a one big panel like this and a vertical panel as well for, I guess, like streaming and stuff like that. So I don't know, might be changing things up here in the future with that. But again, a massive thank you to Huano, I believe is how you pronounce it, again, for sending this out for me to check this out and see how it works. So yeah, I think it's gonna do it for this one, guys. This was kind of a fun little project. It's taken kind of an afternoon with this, mainly just trying to reorganize everything with all that. So again, I'll have their stuff linked down in the description if you guys are interested in checking this out for yourselves. But if you guys did enjoy this here, drop a like on the video, show it some love and support. And if you guys are new around here checking this out, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on any videos or streams that I'm doing here for you guys, or any fun little videos like this to come. So thank you all so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.